Hi everyone, I'm Iverson Lee. Great to see all of you here again. So the reason I actually do this very short video here, due to because I receive a lot of question from students, also from some of the Facebook, YouTube, Telegrams channel that I had, that they're asking about, Iverson, how do you actually use Yijing, for daily application, right? So I think some of you heard about Yijing before, some of you didn't. So and Yijing basically is a system. Yeah, it's a Chinese metaphysics system, which in fact is the father of Chinese metaphysics system. Yeah, just like you learn feng shui before, you learn bazi before, you learn qi men dun jia, right? So Yijing is the top among them all because it actually talking about, or it governs the principles of how the universe works, right? So which means that if you want to actually asking about wisdom or certain insights of your situation or about your life, yeah, so Yijing is the best system. So therefore, a lot of people use Yijing as a divination system, right? So, and if you are just about maybe you are a beginner here, so and Yijing basically are used mostly on two areas. One is the divination, yeah, where you ask certain question and then they then you're able to actually give you certain insights. And then the second part here talking about philosophy, right? About the way of life or the right perspective of life, right? So you can use it on two way. So in this very short video here, I'm actually going to help all of you here to actually cast a divination about what is the success code for October 2020. Don't you think this is important, right? So therefore, to make this thing simple here, I'm going to actually cast, right, three cards as shown on the screen right now. So these are the three cards that you need to pick, and the one you're going to pick, or you eventually will pick, is the one that actually give you the answer, right? So then you might ask, right? So what type of answer that you're going to get? So in Yijing, yeah, because Yijing is a connected to this wisdom of the universe. So in order to derive the message, you need to understand the language of Yijing, right? Just like even to understand someone from if you go to travel, right? Let's say you go to France, right? To travel, then you need to understand the language to communicate effectively, right? So therefore, Yijing also there's the own language or what we call the language of universe, right? So this language of universe actually consists of 64 images or 64 paintings. So and we call that hexagrams, right? So hexagram is nothing more than a six line that arrange on top of each other. And the moment they reach the sixth line, it form a hexagram, and each hexagram has a name. So, and everything in the world, be it objects, item, people, emotion, action, strategies, can be represented by one of these 64 hexagrams. So, which means that if you actually understand all these 64 hexagram, you understand how life works. So now let me just bring back the screen that I shared with you just now. This is the three cards, and I want you to actually pick one of these cards because this card will tell you what is your success code for October 2020. And if you actually pick this card before, right, so then you cannot do this again, right? So this one only if you are the first time you're seeing this, then the answer be valid to you. Okay, so what you need to do right now, as shown on the screen right now, pick one of the cards. So it's either A, or either B, or it's either the C, right? So you choose one of it. And once you got it, then each of these cards here actually contain an hexagram, right? So if you want to know the meaning, I actually posted and I actually record a audio inside my Telegram channel about these three cards. So all you need to do is go to this link here right now, my Telegram channel. So once you click on this, you're going to actually open the Telegram app, and then you can actually browse one of my posts on the 1st of October. I actually post the answer of these three hexagram inside. So the reason I do it in Telegram is easier for you to look for the answer. If I record on a YouTube video, you need to actually, if you chose a card C, right, you need to actually fast forward. Yeah, this video will be very tedious, right? You don't know where's the starting point. So in the Telegram, I actually separated it into card A, card B, and card C. And let's say you selected card B, for example, you just look at card B and then you click on the audio and then you play the answer for you. Okay, all right. So now, yeah, do it now. Go to this channel here to derive your answer. And if you discover this information beneficial for you, yeah, feel free to actually share this to your friend as well, so they can benefit from this. And again, right? So pay attention. This divination only for October 2020, right? So the answer that you're going to actually read on my Telegram channel later will be based on October 2020 only, right? So if you're asking about what's my success code for November 2020, yeah, then later on, yeah, in the future, I might do another one for that. Okay, all right. I hope you enjoy this very short session about introduction about Yijing, and I also share with you a divination that you can benefit from. Yeah. So and till then, I hope you enjoy this YouTube channel, and I'm going to post more exciting videos, educational information here. So and I love to connect with you again. So till then, I see you. I'm Iverson. I wish everyone here have a blessed and prosper life.